Hello everyone, my name is Srinivas and welcome to my channel Tech Studio 82. Please do subscribe to my channel for the upcoming latest technical videos.
In this video, I will show you the complete installation setup of Microsoft SQL Server 2022 Express Edition software on Windows operating system. As a prerequisite, please make sure you have an internet connection with good bandwidth for downloading couple of software files. So let's start downloading the software file of Microsoft SQL Server 2022 Express Edition directly from the official website. That is Microsoft.com. Open Google from any web browser and search for the keyword SQL Server 2022. Hit enter. On the screen, you can see the Google search results. The first link you can see SQL Server 2022 Microsoft, which is from the official website www.microsoft.com. Just click on this. It will direct to the official website. This is the official website. Here you can find the SQL Server 2022. Just click on this try now. It will direct to the SQL Server downloads page. Just scroll down. Here you can find two editions. One is developer edition and other one is the Express edition. Right now I am going to download and install SQL Server Express edition software. Just click on this download now button. Below here, you can see SQL Server installer for Express Edition got downloaded. Just click on this, select show in folder. It will direct to the downloads folder. This is my downloads folder and this is the installer file. Now we are going to install SQL Server using this installer file. Select and right click on the software. Select run as administrator. Whenever you are installing any software on your machine, I strongly recommend you to select run as administrator. You may be prompted for the user control access. Just allow yes. On the screen, you can see SQL Server 2022 Express Edition installation wizard. Here we need to select the installation type. You can see three types of installation: basic, custom and download media. Let's talk about this download media. The download media option allows us to download the setup files for offline installations. When we talk about this custom, the custom installation is like advanced installation with options so that we can configure the features and other options of the SQL Server. And when we talk about this basic, the basic installation is the quickest and easiest installation to install the SQL Server database with default configuration. Right now I am going to select the basic installation type. Just click on this. You need to accept the license agreement. Just click on accept. Now we need to specify the SQL Server installation location. By default, it will be C program files Microsoft SQL Server. If you want to change the installation location, just click on this browse. And here you can select the drives, and by creating a new folder, you can change the installation location. Right now I am going with the default location and these are all the prerequisite requirements. Just click on install. On the screen you can see it started downloading installer package. The file size is 266 MB. It all depends upon your internet bandwidth connection. You can see download got successful and now it is preparing for the installation. On the screen you can see it is installing SQL Server. It will take some time. Please have some patience. Finally, our installation has completed successfully without any errors. You can see this is the connection string and this is the SQL administration log folder and this is the SQL engine folder and this is the resources folder. Just click on this connect now in order to check whether SQL Server connection opens or not. Just click on this connect now. Here you can see Microsoft SQL Server 2022 Express Edition 64-bit. One row got affected. This indicates that we have successfully installed Microsoft SQL Server Express Edition 2022 software on our machine. Just minimize this. Here you can see a computer restart is required to complete your installation. So please restart your machine, but before that, download SQL Server Management Studio. SSMS is nothing but an integrated environment for administration activities. Just select this install SSMS. It will direct to the download SQL Server Management Studio web page. Just scroll down. Here you can see download SQL Server Management Studio. The latest version is 19.0.1. Just click on this to start download. Below here, you can see file is getting downloaded. Just click on show all. You can see the download progress. The file size is 621 MB. Now you can see file got downloaded. Just click on show in folder. It will direct to the downloads folder. This is my downloads folder and this is a SQL Server Management Studio software. Before we start installing SSMS software, I strongly recommend you to restart your computer. Just close this, click on yes and now restart. I restarted my machine. Now let's go back to the downloads folder. This is my downloads folder. Now let's start installing SQL Server Management Studio software. Select and right click. Select run as administrator. You may be prompted for the user control access. Allow yes. On the screen you can see Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio setup wizard. The latest version is 19.0.1. This is the default location. I don't want to change the default location. If you want to change, just click on this change tab. You can change the installation location. Just click on install. You can see it is loading packages. You can see the installation progress. This installation process may take 5 minutes of your time. On the screen, you can see Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio setup completed. Just click on close. Now let's open the SQL Server Management Studio application. From the start menu,
click on all apps, scroll down to MySQL Server Tools 19, just drop down this. Here you can find SQL Server Management Studio 19. Just click on this. On the screen you can see SSMS application is opening. Now we need to connect to the server. You can see the server type database engine, and this is my default server name, and the authentication is Windows authentication. Since we opted for the basic installation, it is going with the Windows authentication. Just click on connect. We have successfully connected to the SQL server, and this is the Object Explorer. Here you can find the default databases. Just click on this new query. This is the query editor. This is the execute button, and this is the parser. From the query editor, I am going to execute this small SQL statement in order to show the list of default databases. Just execute this. Here you can find the list of databases: master, tempdb, model, msdb. That's it guys. We have successfully installed Microsoft SQL Server Express Edition software on Windows operating system. That's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to press bell icon. Please like and also share my videos to your friends, and also please provide your valuable comments on this video. Your comments are highly valuable. Thank you guys.